Good morning, guys. And have a wonderful day. East and West peelu is the best. Say peelu is the best. Say it.
Why I say this?
Because I am the best. I lay one egg a day.
So what?
We also lay an egg a day. That doesn't make you the best.
Oh, come on, guys. I make people happy. I am funny and cute. And I make people laugh.
And I am so serious. I mind my own business. I don't talk much. I just focus on my work and spend time in finding food. I think I have lost the way to cook.
Maybe I get fish. Let's eat that wood and convert it into an art. I like it. We will finish it soon.
Open the door. Open it. I wanna lay egg. Come on, open it.
Let's find some food here.
I think there is nothing. Oh, be careful. You were gonna crush me.
I am sorry.
Did you found something?
Not yet.